So I'm like rushing to get out of here, but I am gonna go to my friend's premiere of her web series, and I'm so excited because first of all, I'm so proud of her. I'm always proud of my friends. But this is a one. Why can't I ever get my damn earrings in my ear? This was a one-woman show that she wrote herself. She plays all characters, and it was off Broadway. And I've seen every version of this project, and it's great. It's awesome. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. It's like so basic. When I get back, which hopefully isn't too late, because they're also gonna have like this whole like reception right after the screening, open bar type of thing. But I don't really plan to stay too long for that. I have to come back and finish packing because I'm gonna leave to Long Island tomorrow, like super early in the morning. I have to leave super early. I'm literally only going because it's my mom's birthday weekend and we're gonna take her out. So it's like I'm gonna spend all this time being on a train and then just coming back, because I'm gonna come back Sunday morning. That's basically what I'm doing. Super basic, but it's comfortable. I feel put together. I'm gonna head out because I'm already running late.
You will be just fine in the summertime. And it's such a crime, cause we're in our prime. You will be alright.
Alright, for the train. It was so freaking good. I'm so proud of her. I'll put the link in the description to her show. For season 1, so you can watch it. Season 2 comes out November 8th, I think they said. I'm trying to remember. But it was good. I'm glad that I went. I saw a friend, a mutual friend that we both have there, so we were like catching up. I'm just so proud of her. Like the episodes that they showed looked so freaking bomb. Like the quality and her acting. Y'all don't even know. Hello, I am back from Long Island. I feel like it was the quickest trip, and I honestly would have stayed a little bit later, but I had a self-tape that I had to do, and I honestly did not bring clothes with me for a self-tape. But I also just want to like not think about it, you know. The self-tape is due Monday, which is tomorrow. It's Sunday. I was like, I'll just do it when I get home Sunday. I would have came home like a little bit later, but with the trains being freaking worked on, it's making the commute much longer. I'm about to open my lights. I ordered lights from B&H. They've been here for like a little over a week, and I haven't opened them up. And since I have a self-tape to do, I figured I could use my new lights. When I say that these were a good deal, they were a good deal. At first I wasn't sure, but I had sent the link to the boy, and I was like, is this a good price? And then he was like, oh yeah, like one of those lights alone is like almost $80. And they're just like small, like filming filler light stuff. So each stand comes in a a soft bag. Let's open one of these boxes up. Yep, here it is. Everything is here. Yay. Once I have everything like set up, I'll show you the lights.
A few moments later.
I am done self-taping. I will show you my lights really quickly. All right, so here are the lights that I used. There's a lot of variety to them, so you can have more of like a warm light or like a blue light. Yeah, and you can change the percentage and all that jazz. So it was super easy to work with. And it came with an AC adapter. You can also buy the batteries that go here. Not bad for $99. So now I just need to put everything back in its place, review all of the scenes, and decide which ones I'm going to submit. I have notes down for the ones that were the best, or the ones I felt the best about, but for some reason, like one of the scenes, I don't know, I think I'm overthinking it. So I'm hoping when I'm watching it back, will become clearer which one I should use. But there's always that one scene that you overthink, that you do so many freaking times, and then when you watch it, you're like, I'm just gonna stick with the first one. So I don't know. We did it! Gosh, we are official fucking skydivers. We jumped out of a plane.
At 10,000 feet.
Was it 10,000?
It was 10,000 feet.
Oh my gosh.
10,000.
Amira went first.
I was number 1.
And when she, 1 second she was there, then she wasn't. I was like, oh my god. I was freaking out. I was like, she's not here. It was amazing. So I'm already back on Long Island. I had to come back right away because I actually have a screening, and I didn't expect both of these things to take place the same day, but they do. So I'm scrambling because I went like checking my wrist, like I have my watch. I don't have my watch, but it's almost 5:30 and I need to leave here the latest 6 o'clock. So I don't have much time to get ready. I'm just gonna like freshen up, fix my hair a little bit. My clothes already ironed. I just need to like I said, freshen up, fix my makeup, and then just head out, and then hopefully come back from that at a decent time because the boy comes back today, so I need to meet him at the airport. So it's gonna be a busy day for me, and I'm just so exhausted. I was like falling asleep on the train. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready, charge my phone, and I'll see y'all at the screening.
Maybe it was just right. Maybe you were thinking, I just can't tell. The moment that I saw your eyes, I knew that I fell in love with you.
Once again, just a beautiful evening and movie. I'm so proud of my friend. It's so cold. The other day, it felt so warm walking in the city. Even was it like Thursday night? But now I'm like freezing. Anyways, it's like almost 10. I'm exhausted. I can't wait to go home and just like be warm and finally eat because I haven't eaten anything since early this morning, which wasn't even really food. And I've been so nauseous since jumping out of a damn plane. I'm feeling better now, so I definitely want to eat something, but nothing too heavy because I can't. It's a beautiful New York City. Hello, beautiful friends. Hi, good morning. It's Saturday. No, it's not Saturday. It's Sunday, October 9th. And the only reason why I know that is because I went skydiving yesterday. As you've seen from the little clips that I put. So I was super excited. I went with my friend Amira. She turned 40. I turned 40 in February, and it was like our way to celebrate. It was her way, actually. And then I said, oh my God, I've always wanted to go skydiving. And she's like, you should do it with me. And then I was like, no, that's like your thing. We did it together, and it was amazing, and I would do it again, and I can't wait to do it again. But the past week, actually the past 2 weeks have been absolutely insane. I feel like so busy and stressed mentally and physically and emotionally. Like I feel like I just haven't had time or like enough time to fully decompress and just like pour into myself.
Cause you wouldn't do it to me, oh. You wouldn't do it to me. You